If you bought a whittling kit from me, then this video is especially for you. You should have instructions, hardware, and a piece of cottonwood bark cut to shape and ready for you to carve your very own fox face pendant. When you're working with cottonwood bark, a lot of times you will find a little bit of the raw outer bark still showing. Most of the time, I make sure that this is going to get carved out when you do the project. Because if we were to take our scoop out of this side and this part was indented, we would lose this shape right here. The fox face is actually one of the easiest whittles to do. The important thing to remember is to go from corner to corner. And again on the ear, to go from this indent to this tip. So I want to go from this point to this point and carve the edge off on a little bit of an angle. So we'll go here, swoop around, and then bring it carefully right to the tip. Let me do the other side. Go from the side of the face, and if you feel it catching and it wants to dig, go up to the top and come back down in the opposite direction. Boy, does that feel better. And then just go over it a few times to smooth it out. And again here, this point to this point. I like to do them over again, smooth it out. Nice, smooth, one even cut will get you the nicest look. You can use a little bit of sandpaper to clean it up as well. You can also use the flat of your blade to scrape off the face, especially if you've drawn on it like I did. Another way that you can do this fox face is to start from down here and do your swoop all the way up the side, and you get a look like that. Add a little bit of your favorite finish. And congratulations! You have carved your very own fox face. I hope this video helped you create your project successfully. Thanks for watching.